determining the correct meter height is crucial for electrical safety and code compliance. According to the 2020 National Electrical Code, NEC 230.82, C1 states that the height of the electric meter base from the bottom of the meter to the center of the meter socket shall be not less than 4 feet and not more than 6 feet 6 inches. NEC 230.82, C3 further specifies that for top-of-pole type secondary service, the height of the electric meter base from the ground or finished grid to the center of the meter socket shall also be not less than 4 feet and not more than 6 feet 6 inches. To accurately determine the correct meter height, a specific measurement procedure should be followed. Firstly, measure the distance from the bottom of the new main service lug center to the top of the meter socket. Secondly, subtract the height of the meter socket from the total measurement obtained in the first step. Thirdly, the remaining measurement represents the height from the bottom of the main service lug center to the bottom of the meter. For example, if the height of the meter socket is 12 inches and the total distance from the bottom of the main service lug center to the top of the meter socket is 72 inches, the remaining height is calculated as 72 inches minus 12 inches, which equals 60 inches. Therefore, the correct height for the meter in this example is 60 inches from the bottom of the main service lug center. It's important to ensure that this height complies with the NEC requirements for a top-entry main service lug center, ensuring adherence to electrical safety standards.